history, counting our steps, walking in history, fun and learning for all, walking in history, have fun.
Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Today I will be showing you how to check the drone for any damages, dents or blemishes. This is stage 2 in the Dji Neo beginners series. So first of all, I have my flashlight here, to check the drone for any, well, blemishes, damages, cracks, scrapes or bumps, especially the propellers. That is a massive safety reason. And I've got my torch here, and I'll be checking the drone with the torch because I can light it up and it's a bit more detailed. So let's get right into that. So I'm checking the first one here. So also with the propellers, there's also little bumps on them. So the ones with the bumps, right, let's turn it off for a second. The ones with the bumps go here and here. So here and here, diagonally. Ones without the bumps go here and here, like that. So it flies properly. So anyway, let's get back to checking the drone. So that propeller looks fine. That propeller looks fine. That propeller, that looks fine. Let's look at this one. That one's going to need changing actually. That propeller is. There's an actual, don't think you viewers can quite see it, but there's a little blemish, well, more like a little chip on the wing there. So I'm gonna have to change that actually. So I would recommend using this screwdriver instead of the one what was provided to you by DJI themselves, what comes with the drone. Because one, it's really small, and two, is not very grippy. But with the propellers, there are two little screws here, one in there and one there. I don't think the camera can pick them up, even if I did get it really close, so you'll just have to take my word for it. But there's one in there, one in there, and take your screwdriver and you take them out. So with them, we'll take them out, and also we'll put new ones on. So let me get those actually in the frame. Here are the new ones. Let me take that out for a second. The new red ones here will be going on the Neo, and believe it or not, you can get these from Temu. I believe you can still find the Neo propellers on the DJI website, but I'm not quite sure. But as for these on Temu, and if you're wondering how much they cost, I will show you briefly. Just 1 second. Right, let's just move the Neo to the side for a second, and the batteries, and of course the propellers, not the wings, as you know, in the Mini 3 Pros beginners series, I kept calling these wings. As you can see here, you can get blue, okay. You can get blue, orange, black, red, and for the female pilots, pink, if you choose to do, if you choose to do so, if you want those, but any other colour there. And also you can select the custom down here, and for the whopping price of £2.50. I know, very good, very good. definitely would be getting some more. Also, it's always good to carry spares, spare propellers. But with the magic for editing, we'll have the red ones on and the black ones off. Right, so I am just tightening the last one up. There we go. All tightened up. There we go, look at that. Red propellers on the Dji Neo. Now the one what went, well, one defending article one, or one what went wrong was this one here. Now it's too small to see on camera, but I'll try to show. It's right there. There's a little blemish or chip right there, and that had to be changed for safety reasons. So that one will be recycled now. Well, all of them will be. So we'll put those over to one side. Put these up to one side as well. Right. So that's how you should change your propellers. Remember, the ones with the bumps go diagonal, so from here to here, and the ones without the bumps go here and here. So from your perspective, the viewer's perspective, it would be here and here, and ones without the bumps would be here and here. There we go. So that's how you change your propellers and inspect your drone. It's always handy to have a flashlight to check all around for any blemishes, dents, cracks, or any structure weakness or defects. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Oh, yeah. Just give it a thumbs up. Oh, it's definitely done. Ring that bell. Also, make sure to put on notifications if you want to see, well, if you want to keep up with the Walking in History channel, or the Beginner's Guide series for the Dji Neo, and the Mini 3 Pro series as well. Yeah, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Walking in history, step by step.